Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm at Lipinkin. In today's video, I'm going to talk about that Cameron Winklevoss had enough and actually wrote an open letter to Barry Silbert, who is the CEO of Digital Currency Group. Why? I'm going to tell you in a second. Then, today on the 3rd of January, we have Bitcoin's 14th birthday. And the third topic is all about that Morocco finalized crypto regulatory framework. So guys, all this jam-packed in today's episode. And don't forget that every day you're getting fresh cryptocurrency blockchain information here on Blockchain Bloom. I'm making a couple of shorts every day and also from Monday to Friday these longer videos. So if you like this kind of content, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel Blockchain Bloom, because I will keep you up to date even in 2023. Okay, and now it's time to look at the market, where actually we can see that Bitcoin is basically going sideways. 16,734 US dollar at the moment. Ethereum just doing the same, 1,215 US dollar. Then we have here the leaders, around 7% in the top. Solana, Lido, DAO, and Gate token, also Flow doing the same. And among the losers, we see Toncoin with almost 6% down, OKB and Internet Computer between 2-3%. And when we're looking at here the candlestick chart, we can see, yes, Bitcoin is still doing its sideways movement. Sooner or later, we're going to break out, but we're going to have the CPI numbers, in a couple of days' time, next week. We also going to have the next FOMC meeting in February. So a lot of things coming out, which can actually have an impact on Bitcoin price. So right now, sideways. Okay, but now let's move on to the first topic. And the first topic is all about that Cameron Winklevoss had enough. Therefore, he wrote an open letter to Barry Silbert, who is the CEO of Digital Currency Group. Why? I'm going to tell you now. So, he wrote Cameron Winklevoss, who is the co-founder of Gemini, a cryptocurrency exchange, wrote an open letter to Barry Silbert. Why? Because Gemini was basically sued last week over money locked in its Earn program. And, he would like to reveal the main reason why this Earn program has now problems. And basically the main reason is that Genesis owns $900 million US to Gemini. And but we do know that DCG, which is the mother company of Genesis, owns money to Genesis. And if DCG, the mother company, would actually pay back its loan, then Genesis wouldn't have the problem to pay back Gemini. And then everything will be back on track. And things can continue, and of course the Earn program can continue as well successfully. So now you can see these tweets, and then Barry Silbert here answered, and then of course Cameron Winklevoss replied again, saying, "There you go again," because where is it? He's saying, Winklevoss, that every time we ask you to tangible engagement, you hide behind lawyers, investment bankers, and process. So here is the open letter, which you can find on Twitter. It was posted yesterday on the 2nd of January. So it's very, very interesting because, he raised the question that why, DCG at the first place took loan from Genesis, and in this circumstances, when Genesis is basically missing that money, therefore cannot pay Gemini, why it's not paying back? Of course, talking about a lot of money here, but still raise a question. And we do know that, for example, Digital Currency Group is the mother company of Grayscale, and therefore Bitcoin Grayscale Trust. So Interesting, the issue with DCG, and the problem is not solved yet. So this was this open letter. Actually, when I share here, then you can see Yeah, this is the article on the Cointelegraph. Okay, now let's move on to the next topic. So the next topic is all about Bitcoin's birthday. So we can say that happy birthday, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is here for 14 years. It has started back in 2009 on the 3rd of January. And it's functioning well for 14 years. The very first block by Satoshi Nakamoto was mined on the 3rd of January. It's called the Genesis block. And since that, we have seen so many Bitcoin copies, thousands and thousands of Bitcoin copies obviously out there, but none of them succeeded as Bitcoin did. It really hasn't been hacked. It's still functioning, and it's so big already, the Bitcoin network, that even to have this 51% attack is just almost not possible if you're looking at how much energy you need to basically do that, and it's just not worth to do it. So Bitcoin out here for a while, for 14 years, working successfully, and actually holding itself pretty well. I know some people say that what you're talking about, it was 69,000 in November 2021. Now we're talking about between 16,000 and 17,000. But if you compare it where it was in 2020, basically just about 3 years ago when the pandemic hit, it was 3,800 or something, right? So if you're looking at that, and we had this recession, what we have right now, this economic problems and this macro problems, the war between Russia and Ukraine, inflation hitting, so many bad things happening. And in crypto, we had this FTX scandal before that, Terra Luna, Celsius, Voyager, you name them, what just happened in 2022. And with this hitting pretty hard the crypto industry, Bitcoin is still between 16 and 17,000. I'm not saying that it cannot go lower, but compare to its last time 3 years, what happened in this pandemic situation, it's holding pretty well, but it got a lot of bad things. I mean, mainly the industry, but also always when people blaming crypto, they blaming Bitcoin straight away, even if Bitcoin is not related to those crypto projects which were in problem in 2022. Okay, so happy birthday. And now the third topic is all about that Morocco finalized crypto regulatory framework. So we can see that many countries working on crypto regulatory frameworks, and now we have a central bank announced that Morocco finalized crypto regulatory framework, the bill which should be introduced to public discussion in the following days, will legally define crypto in this fast-growing market. So the Kingdom of Morocco may see its first crypto bill introduced in the following days. The document is already written by the central bank and will be discussed with the industry stakeholders. And actually, in 2022, Morocco became the fastest-growing crypto market in North Africa, going from 2.4% of the population owning digital assets in 2021 to 3.1% a year later. So we can see that more and more people own crypto in Morocco. Therefore, they have to do something about it. They're coming out with this regulatory framework now. And if the bill will be introduced, then we can say that Morocco made a step forward towards crypto. And not just Morocco. There are so many other countries. They're working on it and will introduce crypto laws, crypto bills. Regulations are coming in the next coming month, years for sure. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every day you're getting fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news in short form when I'm making the short videos here on YouTube, a couple of, and also from Monday to Friday, this longer videos with more depth in different kind of topics. So definitely subscribe if you would like to stay up to date even in 2023. Hit the like button if you like this kind of content. See you tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye-bye.